Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the CTT Signal Twin Off Start Timer. And if we look on the screen here, this is pages from our manual, chapter 3, on all the different timing modes that we have. So on our single twin off start, we have a description of what exactly it will do. Then we have the timing chart on the right hand side. We then have our timer wiring examples. And then we have our keypad that we can enter the program with and set this CTT, the counter timer tachometer, up to this particular mode. Then we have our timer setting units, time setting units. So that's it. We only have 2 pages to look at. So let's turn this back to our programming here, and let's look at the actual program timing chart. So if we have a power signal on, and then everything starts with a start signal. So once we have the start signal, you'll see now that our accumulated value will go up to the set value 1, and then it will turn on the output. And the output will turn on until set value 2 time is expired. Then it goes off, and then we wait again for set value 1 time. So the set value 1 controls my off time, and set value 2 controls my on time. So that's exactly how it works. So let's look at the unit and let's program it. So again, we hit and hold the mode button, and then the first time parameter comes up is the function. In our case here, we want time. Hit mode again, and we have up, so we will count up. Hit the mode again, and now we can set this for our signal twin off start time. Hit mode to set that in. Hit mode again, and this is our timing units, or number of units, and we're going to leave it as it is, which is 0.1 second. Hit mode again. This is a reset, which is set for 20 milliseconds. And then we have our output, which is PNP, which describes the way it's wired up to our control. So we have voltage actually going into the unit. Hit mode again, it starts right back at the beginning of our sequence here. So that's it. And if we hit and hold mode once again for another 3 seconds, it goes back to our run mode. So set value 1 in our case here is 10 seconds. We hit mode again quickly. You'll see that set value 2 is set for, it looks like, 0 seconds. So let's just put in 5 seconds in here. So we'll just cursor over and put in 5 seconds. So there's my set value 2. We'll go back to set value 1. So it looks like my timer is all ready to go. So what I'll do first of all is we will turn on the start signal, and as soon as I do, what should happen is nothing until 10 seconds later, then the output will turn on for 5 seconds. Let's try that out. Okay. So we're counting up now, and as soon as we hit the 10-second mark, our outputs turn on, and you'll see it automatically resets until we get to 5 seconds, then they start again, and back to 10 seconds. So it's just like an alternating timer here. Now, if we were to pause it, we can pause the actual time itself, which in our case here is 2.3 seconds, and then we'll unpause it, and it will continue. Then we also have a reset, so we can reset this unit, and we do it. The present value goes back to 0, and then we'll turn that off. And when we do, you'll notice that now we're waiting for a start signal. So we'll start it again. It starts timing again. Now the last thing we do is if we remove power to the unit, so let's turn the unit off. And as soon as we turn it on, you'll see that everything zeroes out again. All right? So what we'll do is we will then turn it back on and let it start. And what we're going to do is actually leave our start signal on and then power it off, and then we'll power it back on again. So once again, it resets and starts all over again. So all the links and documentation can be found on our website at accautomation.ca. You can also be found on the links below this video. Now if you like this video and like to see more, there are 3 ways in which you can help us out. You can give us a thumbs up so other people can find this information. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also go to accautomation.ca and subscribe to our website. When you do, notification will be given to you every time we publish new content to the site. You'll also get 2 free ebooks on numbering systems and robust data logging. And the third thing to do to help us out is to tell a friend or colleague about the site. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.